welcome back to WEGS Garage. Back here on our TR4. Last weekend, if you haven't seen it, we got this thing started up again after getting the cylinder head rebuilt, and it was running a lot better, but it still was just a little bit running hot and just didn't seem quite right, so we're going to take this whole thing back like to square one. We already set the timing back to like the starting point. And we do have an older video about how to do that. I'll put a link down below for that. So we already did that. We're gonna get it started up and then kind of take a look at the carburetors again, try and get everything tuned up. We got a new little trick we're gonna try today. But it'll just be a quick episode today, trying to get this thing running perfect. Stay tuned.
Sounds great. Take the charger off. 1400 RPM. $12.50. $1200.
All right, so with the timing reset, it does seem like everything is tuning up a lot easier. I think we did actually end up with the distributor in kind of a different location than it was at the start of the day. So I think our timing actually was off quite a bit, but it does seem a lot better now. So we'll get the carbs tuned up and go for a drive and I don't know, see if it's made a difference here. We've been pretty uncertain about our synchronization between the two carburetors using this the tube method here. So Dad actually brought this differential pressure meter that he uses on furnaces and combustion equipment. And it reads very accurate inches of water column. So I just set this by ear and he's gonna put the meter on there. We weren't sure if this would actually work or not, but it does actually give pretty good readings if you put one tube in each carburetor. And you can actually see it's within just a few.
Well, it reads in thousandths. When I just did it, it was within about 5,000ths of each carburetor venturi. I mean, this thing is probably too sensitive. This is really close.
So it does sounds a lot better right now. I don't know if you can hear that on the video, but it sounds pretty in tune. Sounds like all the cylinders are hitting about evenly.
The first one is reading 0.034. The second one is reading 0.029. So it's 5,000ths of 1 inch of one. It's 5,000ths of 1 inch of water column apart.
That seems pretty accurate.
That's like nothing.
So now we'll try retuning our fuel mixture. So I think we got these balanced pretty well. So let's see if I can not screw this up on the fuel mixture. Alright, so it's running really well. The only gripe I have right now is it's running over a little bit after you turn it off. Let's see if I can get it to do it here. Like that. I would prefer if when I turn the ignition off, the car turned off. So something's not quite right. Maybe somebody out there in WEGS Garage land can tell us what we're doing wrong there. If it's still maybe timing or compression or... well, I don't know. Let us know in the comments.
Recording.
See what happens here. Different car. Alright, so I think we must have had our timing pretty far off last weekend we were driving. This time it's like a whole different car. The carburetors are much easier to tune, and we got everything tuned up. It's running cool. I think our carburetors are pretty well dialed. I know they're balanced, so yeah, so that's reassuring. I don't think we're going to get a whole lot else done today, but it's really nice to know that our work has sort of paid off here. It's running really well. It's running cool. We got tons more power than we used to. I'm happy. This guy seems happy. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.